Just got a new Netspend Prepaid card, and let's get activated in under a minute. Now, first visit the Netspend website or open the app and log in or tap Activate Card. You'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number and the 3-digit security code from the back of your card. Next, provide basic information, your name, address, date of birth, and sometimes the last four of your social security number to verify your identity. Then hit continue to finalize activation. If you prefer, you can also activate by phone by calling the number on the back of your card and gotta go confirm those details. Same detail that you have on that card. Yeah. Once you have it activated, you'll need to load money via direct deposit or mobile check, bank transfer, or a cash reload before you can use it. And that's really it. Your Netspend card is live. You're ready to shop, pay bills, or withdraw cash anywhere Visa or MasterCard are prepaid. If you found this video, like always, like helpful, like, subscribe, comment. And yeah, if you have any questions, man, just drop them, shoot them down in the comment section. I'll make a video, or if anything, I'll just reply to that comment.